everybody? It's under easyyy with another video. Today we're gonna be doing, we are doing asphalt paving. I don't know if you watched one of my last videos. We were hauling JB here last Friday actually. McDonough, Georgia, the Locust, here is Locust Grove, so we're hauling JB last week. It's also the same day when my coolant hose blew in. All the coolant leaked on the engine over here. Right after I got home, the next day, it was a Saturday, and I saw like the truck was leaking coolant. I'm like, what the? It's never leaked coolant. I replaced the hose already. Like it wasn't even leaking from the hose I replaced. There might be a crack somewhere. And hopefully it's not an agent. Maybe it's just the head gasket. I don't know. Cause I think I might need a new head gasket. Cause when I opened the cap and I left the engine running, there was white smoke coming out of the radiator. That usually means the head gasket is bad. So I'm gonna buy one of those tests. I don't know if you all saw on TikTok, there's like this little test you put on the cap and it turns blue or some color, and it means you have a bad head gasket. I'm gonna show you all the front, my front end damage. Insurance just quoted me good. I'm gonna get a good check for the accident that happened a month ago. Looks like I'm replacing basically the whole front end of my truck, the hood, the bumper, new suspension. I'm thinking maybe even putting airbags on it. Like, I heard it rides smoother, and also it's cool, so you can lower the truck. And I'm gonna make this truck into a show truck, man. If I paint the hood, I'm gonna just paint the whole truck all I want. Yeah, stay tuned. In a few months, I'm gonna start making videos of me repairing my own truck. And the hood, bumper, suspension, maybe airbag system. And I looked it up. It's not even that much. Probably like no more than $4 grand at least. New leaf springs are 1400 OEM, but you know, I'll just do airbags, you know. It'll ride smoother and also look cooler. You can lower the airbags. So. Yeah, we're gonna be paving here soon. Alright guys, we're making that easy money today. It's one of those days when you make hell of money. So far we laid this, just this like 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5 rows. So we still got like all that to go. My dispatcher's right over there. He's calling to make sure that we still need us for tomorrow, because I'm trying to come in tomorrow again. Easy 1K. I don't know how many more loads. I think 2 more loads we're getting here. It's barely 12 o'clock and this is my second load. So we can get 2 more loads. It's like at least, I'm carrying like 19 tons and it pays 15 bucks a ton. Holy crap, I thought it was 12. 15 times 19, 285 per load times 4. Easy 1K today, boy. So yeah, man, I mean, it's easy money, but also this truck spends it all, man. I'm not gonna lie, it takes almost all the profits. Diesel repairs. Oh yeah, I'm talking about this. I'm gonna get paid for this. So I'm gonna replace the whole thing and it's gonna look way better than it is now, man. I'm thinking about painting it too, like maybe do like a custom paint job. I'm thinking of like dark blue and red. I don't know, but I'll show you a picture of kind of like how I want it. I'm gonna put a brand new bumper, or maybe like a 20-inch box end. Like I said, I might put airbag suspension somewhere. road of asphalt. We're here and I don't even know where we're at. We're close to Conyers. I think I just saw a DUI checkpoint. That's like my first time seeing something like this. I've always seen them like on the news and online. I've never actually seen one in person. Like they have the roadblock out, there's a bunch of cops and they're like questioning the drivers, I think. Probably looking for somebody, I don't know, but I hope they catch fucking drunkies and druggies driving, I have that shit on the roads. So it looks like tomorrow we're gonna be doing the same job, which is good because I had another job and somebody called like they need dirt. I'm like, yeah, if I make more money here, I'm gonna stay here. I need to make as much money as I can before winter. It's gonna be slow. Hopefully next year, 2025, is a good year. I thought this year was gonna be my year, but it was like one of the worst years ever. This year I got hit with insurance being so expensive. I got hit with an accident, a bunch of breakdowns, bad breakdowns, you know, like minor, but my biggest breakdown this year was damn differential. That was the most expensive repair I had this year. Almost $3 grand. And then the clutch, $2 grand, man. So basically $5 grand. Oil changes, other repairs I had to do, the repairs I had to do because of the accident. I had a lot of money I spent this year, man. Plus the fuel, insurance. The most expensive part is insurance. Basically triple what I used to pay. Damn. It's my second year, man. Then coming up on my third year in this business. So far the second year was my worst. First two was alright. I mean, it's typical. Your first truck you get, like a used truck. I had a lot of repairs, but hopefully 2025 is my year, man. Hopefully this engine lasts me at least 2 or 3 more years. I don't know, man. It's 600,000 miles. It's a C13. I don't know how long these last. The C15s, you know, those bigger engines, the 3406, million miles. So hopefully 2 more years this thing lasts. I can make enough money to buy like 3406 or a C15. Put it in this truck with an 18-speed. Alright, good morning everybody. As you can see this morning, it's the next day. We're doing this paving job. Well, yesterday I only ended up doing 3 loads, which is good. We made good money yesterday too. Today I came early, man, because yesterday they started early. So I'm fucking get here an hour and a half earlier than tell me to. I'm trying to get at least 4 loads today. I think the very first guy that got here yesterday got 5, man. I don't know. Alright guys, so good thing I came early because they're already loading up. I came an hour and 30 minutes early and they said they're loading up early, and there's at least 2 trucks in front of me I saw getting loaded, so I bet there's like 4. Dang, no way there's already 16 trucks in front of us. On the paper it says I'm number 18 load, man. What the look, I don't know if you can see, but load number 18. Oh. If it's true, there's at least 16 other trucks in front of me. So yeah, there are 16 trucks right in front of us. Damn, sure can't wait here for everybody. So we just finished dumping our last load here. I wonder what's gonna be like a few warehouses. Yeah, I did only 2 loads, only 2 loads today. But we made good money today too, because the wait time, we get paid per minute. After 30-minute wait, per minute is $1.66. $100 an hour after 30 minutes. So basically we sat here almost 3 whole hours, just sitting here. And so that's basically what gives me extra money. I made good money today. And oh yeah, by the way, about my accident, I'm gonna be getting the check soon. What I'm gonna do first, I'm probably just gonna patch it for now, like put the pieces back together and buy a brand new bumper. And later on, next year in 2025, around spring and summer, I'll buy a new hood and probably paint the whole truck. Also thinking of doing an air suspension. I have leaf spring, but I want airbags, you know, because I want to look cool. You can lower the truck and also ride smoother. That's what I heard. So checking my tires, checking the back is good. Then be getting that check soon and make the truck look good again. So yeah, it's a Friday. Let's go home, drink a beer, relax, play some ATS. I haven't played in a while. So yeah, yesterday 3 loads, today 2 loads. But we're basically made the same as yesterday today. And the guy that signs you out gave me like at least 30 minutes extra. Hell yeah. And it's a Friday, man. We all getting paid. Let's go. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good Friday. I'll see y'all on next one. Come on.